Hello all, welcome back to our favorite V and Data channel. In our previous video, we have seen some basic statistics and their hands-on. The people who have not watched them yet, it is not at all a problem. The link is provided in the description. You can now see that. To continue with statistics, let us get into the video.
So today let us see three statistics concepts in detail. So what are these three concepts? The first one is variance. The second one is mode. And the last one is percentile. First, let us see what is percentile. Let us take a distributed data like this. Okay. So here this is the center. Percentile we tell like 10 percentile, 20 percentile, 50 percentile, 60 percentile like that. The value which is at the center is 50 percentile. So the first 50 percentage will be at the left of the 50 percentile and the second 50 percentage will be at the right. So let us take as 10 percentile. Now the first 10 percentage of the data will be in the left and the second 90 percentage will lie on the right. Suppose if we take 100 data, first 10 data will be under 10 percentile and other will be after 10 percentile. So we have different types of percentile, but the most used ones are 10 percentile, 25 percentile, 50 percentile, 75 percentile and 90 percentile. The value below 10 is 10 percentile. Okay, and above that it is 90 percentile. So when we have 1 to 100, 1 to 10 is 10 percentile. 1 to 25 is 25 percentile, 1 to 50 is 50 percentile, 1 to 75 is 75 percentile, 1 to 90 is 90 percentile. 100 percentile is the whole thing. This is how percentile is calculated. Next comes variance. So what is variance? Let us take a data set which is distributed like this. Okay. We take some data points in this. So 1, 2, 3 and then 1, 2, 3. This center data is the mean. Now from this mean, how much these data points are distributed? That is the variance. To tell in simple words, finding the distribution is the variance. So the formula for this is, suppose we have mean as 5. We take mean 5 like this. We are taking 2 points. Okay. One is 7 and the other one is 4. The difference between 7 and 5 is 2. The difference between 4 and 5 is minus 1. So the difference from the points to the mean divided by total sample size. So we have to square it. Square of difference from the points to the mean by total sample size. Variance is nothing but a distribution of total sample. To be more simple, we have already seen standard deviation. Standard deviation is square root of variance. Next, let us see mode. Let us take a data set like this. So finding the most frequent value. So 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 3 is repeated more number of times. So finding the most frequent value is mode. So for this data set, the mode is 3. We can have single mode, dual mode, triple mode like that. So when we have more than 3 modes, we tell it as multi-mode. Here we get single mode. For double mode, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3. Here the mode is 1 and 2 are the mode. For 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Here the mode is 1, 2, 3. For this 1, 3 is the mode. It is not 1, 2, it is 1, 3. So when we have more than 3 mode, we tell it as multi-mode. Mode is most frequently occurred value in the sample. So in this video, we have seen mode, variance and percentile. In our next video, let us see how to implement all these using Python. Until then, it is bye from our favorite V and Data channel.